Hi everyone, my name is Beth, the Marketing Manager here at Induction Innovations, and today we're here to go over the MiniDuctor product line and the different features and benefits of each product. I want to introduce you to the products offered in the MiniDuctor product line. First up, we have the MiniDuctor 2. Released in 2009, it features an inline design, making it much more safe and reliable to remove ferrous metals from corrosion and thread lock compound. This unit offers 1,000 watts of power and also comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Up next, we have the MiniDuctor Venom. This features the same power as the MiniDuctor 2, but has some obvious design enhancements to it. First, that being the pistol grip, makes it easier to hold in your hand and to get into some of those tight to reach places. Next is the twist lock to secure your coils in place. We also have an LED light usage indicator as well as a manual shop light. Another enhancement that we made is the internal fan on this one will keep running even when the unit's not engaged, whereas on the MiniDuctor 2, that fan's only going to run when you press the red button. And last but not least, we have the MiniDuctor Venom HP. Released in 2019, it features an awesome green color along with 1,800 watts of power. Both the HP and the Venom come with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. All three of the products that you see here come with a custom carrying case and 3 coils. A 7/8 inch coil, a 41-inch flexible bearing buddy, and a U-form coil which will actually hold its shape once you've molded it. We offer many different coil packs and kits, but we also do sell our coils individually. Our most popular coil kit is the standard coil kit. It features 8 coils with varying diameters from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 1 3/4 of an inch. Next, you have our essential coil kit. This one here, again, features 8 coils, but the largest diameter is 1 inch. This is great for auto mechanics. The last one you'll see down here is the long coil kit. This actually features the same diameters as a standard coil kit, just with longer leads to get into some of those harder to reach places. Up next, we have the bearing buddy pack. Features the 41-inch and 96-inch bearing buddy along with a heat-resistant mat to wrap around your application and save the insulation. Next, we have our thin wall coil pack. This coil pack features 4 different coils with varying diameters, specifically designed for recessed lug nuts. So any guys that work on tires, wheels, this will be key for them. And last but not least, my favorite attachment, the MiniPad. This is used for removing graphics, decals, anything that's adhered to metal. To learn more about any of the products that we offer at Induction Innovations, please visit our website or give our office a call. Thanks for watching.